We are now at the point that we can hang the garlands. And if you see 100, make 10. If you see 10, make 1. Because the fun is in that thing. Some of these little bits. So I follow the flow of the hairs, but it's tricky because now we have seen them and we are trying to make them. There is a risk that it ends up in a bunch of nails, and it is soft hair that catches the light. Right, and some darker ones, because there are more and I don't want them also to be so light. So if you explain everything you see, then you will end up with a copy of the photograph, and you must end up with your painting. So, and the risk of painting from photography is that you're so close to the picture, there is a temptation to repeat everything you see. But the power is in your translation of the photograph.